Greetings and salutations, YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a really quick announcement. If you guys have been watching the channel and Instagram and all that, I have been working with the Orange County Goodwill for the past week, putting up different videos on how to style thrifted items that I got from the Goodwill in my home in different spaces, in 5 different spaces. So if you guys have not seen those videos, check it out. I'll have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. And I also promised you guys a really cool event to go to once the series is over. So I'm here to announce it. I'm going to be doing a DIY styling event with the Orange County Goodwill on Thursday, September 27th. So I'm only going to have a limited amount of slots available. So if you guys are interested in joining, I'm going to have the link for it down below. It's going to be on Instagram. Again, there's only a very limited amount of slots. So RSVP before it gets filled up. And also, if it is filled and you guys still want to come see me and the store, I will be there for a little bit afterwards. So I would love to meet you guys. Definitely come. If you guys are in Southern California and close to Orange County, in Anaheim, I believe in particular, please come. It's gonna be so much fun and I cannot wait to see you guys. So again, the link is gonna be down below. I'm also gonna have links for the series that I did. It's gonna be linked right there and down below in the description box as well. But with that being said, I love you guys so much and thank you guys again for all of your support. None of this would be possible without you guys. So from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys so much. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. My dreams are definitely coming true, and I cannot believe that I'm partnering with the Orange County Goodwill for this event. So I'm super duper excited. So come RSVP and come say hi. I love you guys so much and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Alright, bye!